That's where I'm supposed to go. Right over here. And I can't. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Day 2 of a super annoying order on the way back from the gym. I thought it was going to be super convenient. I was just like, yeah, leaving the gym. Let's do this order. It's $7, 2 miles. Honestly, it was a little bit too dark for me to, like, it's 4:20 right now. 4:20. Anyways, it's 4:20 right now. I have someone's order and the street is blocked off. Like, the entire apartment complex that I'm supposed to go to, this cop shut me down and said, hey, you can't go back there. There was a shooting. We're not allowed to let you back there. And unfortunately, the customer is not answering their phone right now. So hopefully the customer isn't the person who got shot, but I'm gonna pull over right over here and do the little wait. Hopefully they answer the phone in time. Otherwise, I'm gonna walk away with some free food. Anyways, quick backstory. I was just leaving the gym. I already filmed a video earlier today. It probably already came out by now. And I was like, yeah, I don't need to film a second video today. But this order came up and it was really convenient. It was $7.50 for 2 miles. Real quick, easy order from Capriotti's, which yesterday, not gonna lie, was a nightmare, but it was from Capriotti's. Anyways, all right, we are pulling up and try to call this person one more time. Be right back. All right, we are losing daylight here. We are losing daylight. Let's blast this ISO up. Okay, so anyways, quick backstory. $7.50 order delivered right up the street to this apartment complex, which is on the street's called Richmar, and the whole entire street is blocked off. They're not letting anyone in at all. And there's absolutely no, like, I can literally show you, there's nothing, never mind, it wouldn't make any sense to you guys, but there's nothing in this area. There's no other way to get to the apartment complex unless I was to go around and start jumping some fences, but I'm not going to jump into some fences when there was a well, for one, I wouldn't do that anyways, but for two, there's just a shooting right there. There's a helicopter up in the air. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Anyways, so we're waiting 5 minutes for this person to answer the phone. Otherwise, because I've called twice, they're not answering. Hopefully, knock on wood, they did not get shot themselves. But yeah, it is, I don't know. We're in a sketchy area. I'm getting out of here. All right, in yesterday's video, I was talking about how you should escape any sketchy situation. There's some dude on a street bike who's just staring at me. Maybe he's staring at me because I'm talking to a camera. But then a Civic, which does not look like a great Civic, pulled up right behind me, and I kind of wasn't able to get out, and I was like, all right, I'm escaping the situation. There's someone just got shot right there. This is like order gone as wrong as possible, but if anything, I'm probably gonna get this guy's food. I don't know, am I supposed to take it back? We'll find out in a couple. We got about 2 minutes left, and then I am giving up on this order. Anyways, so had a pretty productive day today until this all came up, and I swear to God, I just saw on my feed yesterday, Pedro posted a video about someone delivering to a police, I didn't watch the video, but it was like some kind of police shooting or something like that, someone delivering to a crime scene. How random is it that this is happening to me literally 1 day later? I'm gonna have to go back and watch his video because I haven't seen it yet, but this is so strange that I am not able to deliver someone's food because they blocked off an entire street, which means the helicopter, I would show it to you, but honestly it'll just be a blurry sky. The helicopter is literally flying around right above this apartment complex. I'm like, maybe I shouldn't even be trying to deliver this food anyways, but this is right next to my house. It's not really a bad area. But anyways, today, what is going on? Okay, and time is running out in about 20 seconds, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna give this person one more chance to answer their phone or a text, and then I am taking their food back or keeping it or whatever it tells me to do. Be right back. Bunch of street bikers going by. Anyways, okay, so I did hear back from the customer. She said, do not worry about it. We are talking to the police right now. Someone was shot in my apartment complex right outside of our place. There's no way we're getting the sandwich, basically. And I was like, no worries. Sorry about that. Have a good day. So I am going to drop off this food. It's literally right here at Capriotti's, or I don't know. I told them I'm just going to leave it back at the restaurant so they can go get it later if they want to. Because obviously I'm not going to sit around and wait for this. But yeah, I don't even know what the situation to do here is. But I'm just going to drop it back off at Capriotti's, and then hopefully this person can come get their food later. It's down the street anyways. I'm assuming they ordered their food and then this happened, because you wouldn't like see someone get shot and then like, let me Doordash real quick before I have to talk to the cops, you know? It's probably not something that you would do. But anyways, Capriotti's is right here, so we are going to pull in. Where is it? It's in there somewhere. But anyways, all right, I'll be right back. Today is the most random video ever, but okay. Anyways, I'm gonna follow my own directions and escape these sketchy situations, because clearly someone just shot someone and they're within like a half mile of where I am right now. Be right back. All right, and that concludes that order. That was very strange, very hectic video. Comment down below. I'm gonna ask you guys, what's the weirdest delivery situation you've ever come into? Because this is for sure one of the strangest deliveries that has ever happened to me. Delivering to a crime scene, well, attempting to deliver to a crime scene where the cops wouldn't even let me down the street. They were just like, no one's allowed in, no one's allowed out right now. It's probably good for my safety that they didn't let me in, just being honest. There was a ton of cops everywhere though, so I think they probably got this situation figured out. I don't know. I'm gonna try to like find out later, maybe the news article. I used to have this police scanner on my phone and I could just listen into it, but fortunately I don't have that anymore. Anyways, I don't know how long this video was. It was very strange. I just felt like I needed to document it because I had my camera, and I was like, you know what, this is something I should make a video about because it was at least interesting. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below, what's the weirdest delivery you guys have ever ran into? I've put myself in some weird situations as a delivery driver. And one of the, like, I don't deliver late at night because it seemed like the weird situations would happen more often than not when you were like delivering at like midnight or 1 o'clock in the morning or something, and nothing really good happens at that hour. Like, let's just be honest. And I don't know. Anyways, if you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and also smash that like button. And go to offaxisathletics.com. We got the holiday sale going right now. Off Axis 50 off is the discount code, or Off Axis Holiday. Off Axis Holiday. OFFAXIS Holiday. That'll get you 50% off of everything in the store. Get yourself some shoes. Get your friends some shoes or something like that. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Today was a weird video. Anyways, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.